Welcome to our weekly forex analysis. Do you wish to know what to trade and the bias for the week? Then stay and hang on till the end of this video so you know what to do and how to go about it. First and foremost, daylight saving has already been completed. London is 5 hours ahead of New York now, right? Unlike when they had about 6 hours ahead. So take note of that, so you adjust your time to know what to do and how to go about it. And secondly, this is our second quarter. We're already entering the new quarter, that is Q2. Q1 is January, February, March, and Q2 is April, May, June. So it's another phase entirely. So probably the algorithm will have the new restructuring, but that is how it works for every new quarter. So it is time to look for a new move that will guarantee a kind of maximum pips for the quarter. So first and foremost, for this week, what are we looking at on our fundamentals? What are we looking at? Since we are trading on the FX trial, that is why I only have USDs. For FX trials, we are focusing because it's strong. The main driver of EURUSD, GBPUSD, AUDUSD, and ZUSD, majorly the dollar index. Right, that is why I focus on this fundamental is dollar itself. You can see that we have news on Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday. So what are you going to focus on? For this news, you can focus more on Tuesday, right? I'm just going to point out to you days to really, take a good trade that will be one way. We have a one-way direction, not majorly on consolidation. So you're going to be having it on Tuesday and that of on Friday. If you can have a good setup on probably Tuesday, you can hold it till Wednesday, right? If you have a good setup on Friday, most especially, you can hold it to the upper week, right? Which is on Monday of the upper week. So that is that on our forex factory. So let's hop into the chart and see what we are to anticipate for the week. This is weekly time frame. This weekly time frame on GBPUSD, you can see that we anticipated a bearish move. In the last video, I told us that price should close bearish for this just concluded trading week, but it wasn't what we really anticipated, though it showed a kind of almost 100 pips from what I marked for what I posted. You can see from our group where I posted it, almost 100 pips, but later price went above and still closed bullish. So for me this week, I am still anticipating price. That's my anticipation, is that price should trade into at least 50% of these 50% of this range. All right, of this range, to rebalance this range. That is this is the concluded trading week, the second week, third week, and the fourth week. You can see this imbalance. I really want price to rebalance it at least 50%. So all these areas I marked, these horizontal lines, are the area where I want price to drop into before at least pushing up and before coming down. Do you get that now? So this is what I really want to do. I want to anticipate for the week. I really want price. I'm anticipating. Don't forget, apart from the anticipation, you have to react to what the price is doing currently. But the overall anticipation is for me to see price take an entry if I see one that will trade me into 50% of this imbalance. All right, and when I'm done with that, I want to see price either drop a little bit or pushing up. But in the second scenario, if price validates the high, this bearish high, take note guys. Now let me show you clearly. Now if price validates this high, If price validates this high, what do? You look for a buying setup. As long this high is intact, we'll keep on looking for a sell into the 50% of this block, into the 50% of this VG, of this imbalance, right? So as long as this bearish closed candle is still intact, we'll keep on looking for a sell into any of this area that I marked 50%. But if this high, this bearish candle high, is a kind of invalidated, all right, if that candle is violated or probably taken, what do? You now look for a buy into this FVG, into this FVG, into this FVG. Take note guys, into this FVG, this top FVG here, before we look for a sell. Until price get there, don't look for a sell. But when price trade into this area, you look for a sell. You get that now? But as long this high is intact, look for a sell down into 50% here first. Then when we get there, I will tell you what next to do. But if the price refuses to drop down but takes this high, what do? You start hunting for a buy into this FVG. You get that now? I'm saying from the higher time frame perspective, weekly time frame. So I know what we should anticipate and how to kind of stick to it. All right, it's not a time frame whereby you start having some funny noise here and there. No, you get that now. Now let's check EURUSD if we can have the same scenario too. Yes, on EURUSD, what happened? As long as this bearish candle is intact, what do? We keep on looking for a sell until we get to the 50% of this range. 50% of this range. You get that now? But if this high is violated, if this high is taken, if that high is taken, what do? You wait for price to trade into this area here, right? Wait for price to trade into this FVG before you start hunting for a sell. So here is a kind of validation point. You have to secure it. As long as it's intact, we keep on looking for a sell. So I'm still looking for a sell here until this high is taken, right? But if you want to get details on how to take the trades, you can also check our bio and hop into our free Telegram community, where I will give an update on where to actually enter on the lower time frame, probably 5 minutes or 15 minutes time frame, and drive us down to a point of interest. So please don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel. Follow us on TikTok. You can join our free community on Telegram, where I will give you updates on what price is doing. All right, till we meet next week, drop your question, drop your comment when necessary, and I will sure respond to you at my convenience. All right, have a nice trading week. God bless you.